Looks like my Tesla Model Y has a new update, 2024.3.10. So right now, what do we have? Currently installed is 2023.44.30.25. It's not telling me what the new update's going to give me, but here you can see FSD beta version 12.3 I already have. And yeah, full self-driving beta. So where's the update that they're giving me? These are all old stuff. I guess let's run the update and we'll find out. Alright, so we'll tap this. It's going to update. It says it'll take about 25 minutes, which usually is a lie. It usually takes longer. We're going to say install now. Yes. And we'll let it go. I'll see you guys once it's done. Release notes. See, it doesn't tell me what we're going to get. No, we'll let it run. Alright, so I'll see you guys when the update's ready. Oh, I see. So it's the update that everyone's been getting, the FSD Supervised version 3.3, version 12.3.3, right? Basically, now it uses the neural networks to know how to drive, and it actually drives really well. I don't know if you saw, but I made some Model X videos. I'm using a Model X Plaid as a loaner while my Cybertruck is being worked on. And yeah, it drives really well. So here you go. They have all this other stuff about plugging in when it's cold and all of that. And this is basically the same update that was on the Model X Plaid, right? So reminders to plug in at home, security improvements, and all that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.